Oh no guys, Pantai Kuta. After that storm last night, and this is what happened in some places in Kuta. That's just next to the statues right there. Wow, this is the condition from here. Hopefully they clean it up though very soon. It's a treasure in here. I wish I can get this, guys. This thing. This is really good for swing. Yeah, but it's so heavy. I don't think so if we can get that. But that is gonna be good for swing. Put it on the beach. Put it in the backyard. Yeah. And I saw some people make a video on right in the front of Granny now. The other day I went there and the beach is just like, you know, gets close to the wall. So let's go check out on that side. Yeah, so this is the place where they do a cremation. Sometimes in here you can see the pile of wood, and then where they burn the body. This is where this location. Yeah, it's really poor condition, and also because the tide, guys, is really strong. Winds and raining almost 2 days in Bali. Start from 21st and now it's 24, and it's still cloudy and raining. This morning was heavy rain. Yeah. Well, let me share it to you guys from here. Just not the best time to come to Bali right now. Yeah, honestly guys, not the best time. This is all the project right here. They're doing a roof now. Yeah, a couple of days ago I came here as well, but it's on that side. It's really big project. This is a really big project. I'm gonna take you guys to the beach. Let's take it from here, guys, to the beach. Ooh. Wow. This is gonna be like really huge. Right, so that storm really bring all those rubbish. Oof. Look at that, guys, that storm. You know, that's the boat, you know. If another storm and a big wave coming, this is gonna be fall down, and we are worried about that boat. But look at this, it's just eruption. Is that how you say eruption? And man, that is super scary, guys. That building in there, lucky they have the rocks over there, yeah, to hold all the sand. And even those guys in here, they try to pull all the metal out because it's covered by the sand. You see, this is what I mean? Like this one in here, lucky they have these rocks, otherwise they get washed away, that building. Yeah, that's still new. And this is what happened, everyone. Imagine that, like now it's really flat and coming hit the rocks in here. So basically that building is so close to the ocean now. Yeah, they need to fill it up, at least it's half, but I don't think so if that work, if the tide's coming. So sometimes we hear, and also sometimes coming a king tide, and if that coming like from now on, if the wave is coming like a meter and a half, will be go over the building. Yeah. Are they planning to put the statues all the way up today? I don't know, but it doesn't look like they're gonna pull that, guys. Whoa, crazy. We can wait though. We can wait. So this is what I mean, guys. Look at this, all the roots get washed away now because of the sand, because of the tide, and this is almost finished, everybody. Super scary if another one coming, big wave. There's a guy surfing right here, someone having fun in there. But yeah, poor condition right now, Kuta Beach. Really poor condition. Look at that. Somehow they're gonna pull the big statues all the way up there. It doesn't look like a strong, guys. You know what I mean? The one is that bit over there. Well, that's what they say, guys. They want to pull that big statues in there all the way up there. Whoa, I don't know if they doing it now or later on. Right, this is in the front of Grand Inn, everybody. Look at this. This is what happened when the king tide's coming. Today is look at this. Yes.
Oh my goodness.
What's happening with the wave?
From planning.
How are you doing? Can I give you a high five? Hi, welcome guys. Welcome to Bali. Hi man, how are you doing? Hi, how are you? Welcome to Bali.
Follow the channel on Insta.
Oh, nice one. But now look at this. Very.
We still coming.
As long as the beer is cold, that's it. That's the main thing, right? Doesn't matter with the beach. Alright guys, have a lovely day. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And enjoy our wet season.
Yeah.
Bye guys. See ya. Oh, I just saw my viewers. Yep. Crazy. I mean, not the customers crazy, guys. It's a crazy beach, and then look at this. The beach is just like this now. At least it's nice. They clean it up. But my point is, it's got washed away. The sand's got away. So from here to there is like probably only 5 meters away. 5 meters. Yeah. Poor Legian Beach and poor Kuta Beach. Squirrel. Ah! Run away. Oh no, look at this, guys. And also last night it's a really big storm and windy as well, and this falling apart, guys. Look at this, falling apart. It's already broken. Oh no. Yes, I guess the water last night is over here, across this walking side. And this even in here probably like only 3 meters now. Look at that, guys, between this and that. And luckily that coconut is still in there. Must be a really strong coconut, strong root. Yeah, if this got washed away, guys, this street is gonna be I mean this walking side is gonna be washed away. So they need to do something about this. I mean, they need to do that concrete very soon before the tide's coming up again. Today it's like a 7 to 11 feet. That's why it's so strong, strong wave, big tide. Yeah, they need to do like this in here, the rocks, to stop the sands got washed away like that. So yeah, that's a bit sad. Kuta Beach. Hey squirrel. Hey squirrel. There's no food. Probably it's a hungry squirrel. everybody, look at this. Well, that's it. So this is what they need to do. Like even this though, like the tides is coming all the way up. So some people said the tides coming up in the night time. Yeah, they're coming up in the night time. So no one see what's going on. Anyway, there we go guys, a quick share from Kuta Beach. Hey, apa kabar? Habis pantainya? Itu untung aja ada batunya ya. Ya. Yeah, there's a lifeguard. So there we go everybody. And those guys are pulling that things from the beach. It was some of them was on the floor, and now they have to put it back right there again. Yeah. Right, this Granina just right here. I'm gonna show you Granina Hotel just right here. Now we go just right there. This is a Kuta Beach Street, and it's still windy, strong windy, and it looks like it's gonna be rain again tonight. And that's just a Hard Rock Hotel. There we go everybody. That's a quick share to you, the update from Kuta Beach, and you can watch my video while they pull the big statues up there. I'm gonna show you quick from here, and you can check that video because I make a video while they pull that big statues to the top of that building. There we go, it's already there. That's what I mean. I make a separate video for that guys. So I see there.